Need to jot something down super fast with your S Pen? You can double press the side button on your Galaxy S25 Ultra to instantly open a new handwritten note in the Samsung Note app, even when your screen is off or locked. To do so, go to the setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Tap Side button. Next, tap Double Press. Turn it on if it's not already. Select Samsung Note. And then select Write with Pen. To see how it works, turn off the screen. Double press the side button. Enter your current screen lock. As you can see, your phone will instantly launch a new note where you can start writing directly with your S Pen. No extra taps needed. With this setting, you can have a faster way to capture your thoughts, sketches, or note on the go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.